Components of national income. Number one is gross national product, which is also known as GNP. Gross national product, which is also known as GNP. Then you have something which is known as gross domestic product, and which is also known as GDP. GDP. अब आपके मन में एक सवाल आ सकता है कि जीएनपी में, ग्रॉस नेशनल प्रोडक्ट में और ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट में क्या फ़र्क है. And the difference is on account of something which is known as NFIA. And what is NFIA? NFIA is net foreign income. Net foreign income earned by the non-residents. That means what? That means GDP is GDP is the income of the country as a whole. और जीडीपी के अलावा और भी क्या होता है, दो चीज़ें होती हैं. एक तो ये कि जो इंडिया के लोग बाहर रह रहे हैं वो बाहर पैसा कमाते हैं, तो वो जो पैसा कमाते हैं दैट इज़ टू बी टेकन एज इनकम ऑफ आवर कंट्री. एंड लाइकवाइज इंडिया में जो बाहर के लोग रहते हैं, एक्सपेट्स रहते हैं, और वो जो इंडिया में इनकम कमाते हैं दैट हैज़ टू बी माइनस्ड फ्रॉम द टोटल इनकम. So, GDP is the original income of country as a whole, and GNP will take into account income earned by the residents abroad and also less income earned by the non-residents in India. And when you make this adjustment, that becomes your gross national product. So GNP is equal to gross domestic product प्लस NFIA. और NFI का मतलब क्या है? नेट फॉरेन इनकम अर्नड फ्रॉम दी नेट फॉरेन इनकम अर्नड बाय दी नॉन रेसिडेंट्स, Indian residents outside India and non-residents within India. So if I can give you an example, and I'm just using some numbers. So let's say what will be our GNP. Our GNP will be, if our GDP is let's say 1000, I'm just taking these numbers, plus we have income earned by resident Indians overseas, and that income is, let's say, 100 crore. And then you have residents of outside India living in India, and they earning income, and that figure is 50 crore. So उसको minus करना पड़ेगा. So GNP is equal to GDP, which is 1000 crore, plus income earned by Indians outside India, that is 100 crore, and minus income earned by the foreigners in India, and that is 50 crore. So your GNP, gross national product, becomes in that case 1050 crore. And this is how you find out the gross national product. We understand what is gross domestic product, and when we make the adjustment for NFIA, it becomes gross national product. Now, so one is gross national product, other is net national product. So what is net national product? So when you take the gross national product and you minus from the gross national product the amount of depreciation, what you get is known as net national product. Likewise, there's something called NDP. What is NDP? Net domestic product. So how do we calculate net domestic product? From the figure of gross domestic product, when we reduce the depreciation of country as a whole, and the difference is known as net domestic product. So this is how we will understand the gross national product, net national product, gross domestic product, and net domestic product. We of course understand what is per capita income. So the GNP divided by the population, that gives you a per capita income. And then you have a personal income. So personal income is the income earned by the individuals or of the country as a whole. That is the personal income. And what is personal disposable income? So from the personal income which is earned by all the individuals of a country, from the total of the personal income, if you minus the amount of taxes that they pay and what that is referred, it is referred as पर्सनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम. सीधी सी बात है, अगर 1000 करोड़ की पर्सनल इनकम है और उसमें से समझो 100 करोड़ का टैक्स निकल गया, तो जो लोग हैं उनके हाथ में कितना पैसा बचा? उनके हाथ में 900 करोड़ रुपया बचा. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस 900 करोड़ इज नोन एज पर्सनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम, यानी कि ये ऐसी इनकम है जो कि लोगों के हाथ में है, जो उसको वो डिस्पोज कर सकते हैं. And then you have a real income and nominal income. So real income is the income which is adjusted for inflation. Nominal income is what you are earning. So nominal income is what you are earning, and when you adjust it for the inflation, then it becomes real income. So these are the components of national income. And number one, it is gross national product. Number two, net national product. Number three, gross domestic product. Number four, net domestic product. In this context, we should also understand what is NFIA. So NFIA is net foreign income earned by Indians outside India and Indians overseas, and the expats living in India earning income. So adjustment of that is known as NFIA. Then of course you have per capita income, we understand. Personal income, we understand. Personal disposable income also we understand. And finally you have nominal and real and nominal income. So these are the components, friends, of national income.